tell me, baby, where the hell is my husband? What is taking him so long to find me? Oh, baby, where the hell is my lover? Getting down with another. Tell him if you see him, baby, if you see him, tell him T-shirt. Tell him I'm tell him I'm kind. Tell him I got brown eyes and a grown fitted. If he doesn't find me now, I'm gonna die. Love so can he? Hurry up, hips. I want it, want it, want it, want it, want it. I run like a ring, like a ring. I would like a diamond ring on my wedding finger. I look like a big and shiny diamond that I can wave around and talk and talk about it. And one of the days, forgive me, God, that I can never doubt it. Until death, I do. Is he a bite? This man is testing me. Help me, Lord. I need you to tell me, baby, where the hell is my husband? What is taking him so long to find me? Oh, baby, where the hell is my lover? Getting down with another. Tell him that my grandma said it. Tell him grandma said it.
Your husband is coming.
I would like a ring. I would like a ring. I would like a diamond ring on my wedding finger. I look like a big and shiny diamond. Where is my husband?
Sa totoo lang, alam niyo naman na hindi ako sanay sa ganitong pagsasalita. Mas komportable ako sa biro at kwentuhan. Pero ngayong araw na ito, gusto ko lang marinig mo mula sa puso ko kung gaano kita kamahal.
Hi, Daddy. Ito na yung araw na hinihintay natin. 9 years na pala tayong bumubuo ng pangarap. At habang tinitignan kita ngayon, hindi ko lang nakikita yung lalaking pinili kong makasama habang buhay. Nakikita ko yung tatlong anghel natin na bunga ng pagmamahalan natin.
And I give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And
9 years na tayo magkasama at sa bawat araw na ako'y nasa barko at malayo sa inyo, kayo lang ang iniisip ko at ang tatlo nating anak. Ang dahilan kung bakit ako nagtitiis at nagpapakapagod. Hindi man madali ang trabaho ko, pero basta para sa inyo, kakayanin ko at ibibigay ko ang lahat.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know who I am.
Salamat sa pag-aalaga sa mga bata at sa pagpuno ng mga pagkukulang ko bilang isang ina. Hindi ko man palaging nasasabi, pero sobra kitang hinahangaan.
Yeah, you please just to know you're alive. And I don't
Ikaw ang lakas ko tuwing pakiramdam ko ay hindi ko na kaya. Ngayong araw na ito, sa harap ng Diyos, ipinapangako ko na ikaw lang ang iibigin ko habang buhay. Kahit malayo man ako, minsan dahil sa trabaho ko, ang puso ko ay laging nasa iyo. Haharapin natin ang lahat ng bukas ng magkasama. Mahal na mahal kita ngayon at habang buhay.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken. I just want you.
Alam nating dalawa na hindi madali ang mga pinagdaanan natin. May mga gabi na ang layo mo dahil sa trabaho mo. Pero sa totoo lang, mahirap mag-isa. Pero kahit gaano pa kalawak ng dagat na namamagitan sa atin, never mo pinaramdam na malayo ka. Laging sapat ang pagmamahal mo para maramdaman namin na nandito ka lang sa tabi namin. Kaya ngayong araw, gusto kong pangatawan sa harap mo at sa ating mga anak. Ikaw lang ang mamahalin ko hanggang sa huli. Pangako, hindi ako bibitaw.
Want you to know who I am. I just want you